Okay, recording number 5, and I think this is probably gonna be the last step. It's pretty much what I left with, and just simply trying to fix it. Um, I found the solution already. When we left off, I had something like this, which was according to the video tutorial from Wized themselves. But as Wized is relatively new, so they're still making a lot of updates and changes. So I guess that already is outdated as well. Because what I saw when I just put an input field in it, it looks like this. All right. So probably that is fine, I thought. So I'm just gonna take this away and leave it like that. It's the same, right? And then probably I also don't need all this stuff. And I don't even need this because it makes it automatically prompt. And then I actually got what I typed in. Because the last thing I typed in is what is needed to drive a car. Simple question. Done. And now when you run it, we get here an answer. Close. So yeah. So OpenAI is now working. So you can use this to create a form, populate your query with whatever the user is typing into the form, and supply them an answer. Or any other thing you can come up with that you can use OpenAI with. So cool, works pretty nice. Then the other thing I left off was in the last video was the Stripe. We couldn't test it anymore because I had run out of the how you say it. I bumped into the limitations of a free Supabase account that only sends out this many emails. But now we are later in the game, so we should be able to test it now. I have still my single account here, and the table is also is this one, and I want that to be deleted, please. Sometimes I can't delete and sometimes I can. I don't know why that is. It's a bit strange. Now we just refresh. See, now again. It doesn't make much sense. Okay, delete one row. Okay, so I don't have that user in there, so I should now be able to create it. I'm just gonna refresh still. Or let me just create it in Wise like that we can see the errors if we have any. Okay, create account. I'm just gonna use the same one again. There we are. Create account. Still not. The problem now is that I don't want to test it that many times because every time I'm gonna send out an email. Why not? Open it. Yeah, it is created. Okay. Then make payment doesn't work here, of course, because we're in the Stripe. So now this is working again. Thank you very much. And that one is also still there, still waiting for confirmation. Okay, I'm gonna delete it once again. Confirm. And I'm gonna go here and also here this. Oh no, this one. Delete. Okay, cool. That works. I'm already open up the email. Gonna get an email confirmation, of course. Let's put that there. So let's create an account here. Let's refresh. Because in Wized itself, we will not be, of course, redirected to Stripe, because we stay in our development environment. So let's here pick the same one. Create account. Why doesn't it go to Stripe? It should. Okay, that's a bit weird. Make payment. So the make payment thing is not working. Status error. Let me run it. Search price. Details data, checkout session, no search price. Okay, so we have an issue with Stripe. Dashboard. Test mode. Let me see. Product catalog. Yes, this one. Create payment link. Yeah, okay, that looks fine. Maybe I should have done that. Create link. Not sure if. No, this goes just to there. What's happening? Product catalog. Like this. Should be working. And what does it say? It says no such price. Price 1 and H long. It should be there. And this is exactly the same. 500. No such price. Is it price what there is? Set your price. It's right here. Edit. So just gonna add a new one, I don't know. You're in test mode, so your customers don't see this product. To charge your customers, create live products instead. Yeah, that's okay, but it's also here. So take this one then. It is a live product. Okay, let's see. Check out price. No such price. It's a bit weird, right? Subscription. I'm just going to create a new one. Products. So what if I'm adding the products in a different Stripe account? It's a bit strange this. No such price. I'm gonna delete this. Let's delete this. No. Okay, action. Why? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop this. Take this out. Yes, close. Thank you. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna apps. Delete this. Okay, let's start again. Because this is not going good. Let's just add it again. If it doesn't work the first time, we just try again. Stripe, connect in test mode. Yes, this is the one I want. Connect. Okay. Now let's try it again. Okay. Make payment. Select Stripe, type of request, checkout, checkout type subscription, use variable amount of checkout items, no payment method, credit card, successful URL is go to the dashboard, cancel URL is go to the home page, customer email is where am I? Account. Customer email is whatever he has put in here. Does it make sense? Yes. Done. Customer ID, we have it on it. We don't have that yet. Allowed countries is everything. Checkout products. And we need to add that. And then we have again this thing. Tap it. This is it. Complete. Should be fine here. Quantity 1. Text ID doesn't matter. Trigger we don't need. After press we don't need. And now on the valid URL. Details, data, checkout session. I just need to be a full. And this doesn't work like that. It has to be the full URL, which is with this in front of it for now. A bit annoying. And just like that. Okay, let's try it again. I think it worked. Yeah, now it worked. Why it didn't work the first time, I don't know, but now it is working. So now I need to put back that we create a user, we create user details, and after this we're gonna perform another request, which is make payment, and this is conditional, because create users number 2. Right, it doesn't work. Create user number 2, status code has to be 200, done, and now we are done. Now it should work. Hopefully we still have email sent out credits, and here we have let's delete this one too. Confirm. Okay, that seems to be good. Okay, then I'm gonna refresh, and we're gonna say once again, this should be this one, and let's create the account. Come on, guys. What's happening here? Don't tell me I run out of email credits again. That would be really annoying. Email rate limit exceeded. Okay. Good. This is super annoying, but well, we know it works because we are here and we have it running. So what will happen is that you fill in your account details, and then you end up in a URL that looks, that's actually this one, where you have your form to the top, and you pay, and then you click, and you get redirected. Trust me, it's working now, because this is the URL that's being generated. That's it, we have a working app. Of course, there are still plenty of stuff that needs to be done, which you can lose a lot of time on, making sure that all the error messages get displayed in the right way, success messages. There's one thing I still need to figure out, and that is how to get the information back from Stripe into Supabase, but I think I'm getting there. Password reset is at the moment not working. That is something that is still in the hands of the help desk of Wized. But aside from that, in this little time, I don't know how much I recorded, 6, 7, let's say 8 hours time. So that's one working day. One working day, we have the basics of an app structure. Of course, we don't have an app because we have not filled it in with any actually concept of what the app should be, what it should do. But the basic structure is there. We have a Webflow project, we have a Wized project, and we have Wized taking care of that. Our website can talk to Supabase, can talk to Stripe, and can pull in OpenAI. So we can create accounts, we can update our account, we can connect things to the account, we can, for instance, make like wish list kind of things, whatever. So the basic core structure of a web app is here, and now it's up to the big idea of what these apps should be doing. And of course, then you still need to spend a shitload of time on building that and making all those interactions work. But all the connections now are made. That's it. 8 hours time. Pretty cool, I think. Okay, thanks for watching. This was the end of the tutorials. It's not really a tutorial, it's more like I don't know. I don't think what I do are tutorials. Just a quick rant and figuring stuff out as I get along. But anyways, I hope it has been fun. See you. Bye.